LearnAnything.xyz is a platform that allows you to do just that, learn anything. Today we're going to be checking this out and let's see how effective it is. So I want to learn cryptocurrencies. Okay, cool. So Learn Anything is a learning platform that organizes knowledge in a social way. You can create pages, add links, track learning status of any topic and more things in future. Try to do these quick onboarding steps to get a feel for the product. Okay, cool. Well, let's get started. As you can see, there's a bunch of web pages here and they're categorized under, I guess, certain key tags. Like this one is interesting, this one's under other, and then you've got a bunch of other ones here. And I guess you can just sort of click on any particular ones. Well, I know DeFi Llama is actually quite a good one for analyzing blockchains. Okay, cool. Let's see what else we've got there. Uniswap in 155 lines of code. Okay, interesting. Let's go to Jump Crypto. See what's going on. Okay, cool. So it looks like this is more of a directory that allows you to learn about anything, as they say, in a social ways. Let's go into Crypto Watch. This is an article about Crypto Watch on Kraken. Interesting. Okay, and here we've got a YouTube video about knowing the difference in inflation in fiat currency, proof of work, and proof of stake cryptocurrencies. Interesting stuff. So I can click on this and that'll take me to this YouTube video. Cool. Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrency for investment professionals. Understanding crypto, that's pretty cool. Let's say, for example, I wanted to use this platform to understand crypto a bit more. Then I could just go back on here, look for understand. Okay, I can see understand there. And then I've got this post online. Okay, cool. Well, it seems to be like a sort of Google search that allows you to sort pages by whatever sort of category they're in. So, for example, investments. Okay, cool. If I search investments here, we've got bitwiseinvestments.com. And then I can go into that. This looks like a page for crypto funds and ETF projects. Okay, cool. Interesting stuff. So yeah, this looks like a directory for learning pretty much anything. I've just used cryptocurrency as an example, but yeah, have a go and see if there's anything you want to learn that you can actually find here on this platform. If you're really serious about getting ahead with AI, make sure you join my school community where I post the discoveries that I find in the AI space as soon as I find them. Have a great day.